Hello, today we're looking at this question here. So, the wooden blocks will be used with a shape sorted toy. Orthographic views of the shape sorted toy are shown below. So we've got our front view, our plan view and our side view. And we've got the start of an isometric drawing here. Complete the full-size isometric view of the shape sorter toy by adding the box. So the box, first of all, is just a square bit at the bottom and like a cuboid bit at the base. So we want a full size. We're going to use these measurements here. So we've got one side drawn already, which says it is 110. I'll quickly just check. And it is 110 millimeters. So what we're going to do is do the other side first of all. So I'll get my 60-30, put it on here, do a faint line, and do a faint line here as well. So we want this to be 110. So I'm going to measure along 110, which is here. And then I can do a line down here, and I'm just going to do a faint construction line along here for a little bit, and the same at the back here. So that's the first part of the base done. So now we need to do this box part on top. So it is, you can see, 90 by 90 by 90, it's a cube. So first we're going to do is draw construction lines from here. So it's already started for us, quite helpful. So I go back here, and I go along here, and I go straight up, because this line definitely is not 90 millimeters. So I'm going to measure 90 millimeters along here, put a mark. Measure 90 this way, put a little mark, and measure 90 up. So this is really, really simple. We're just drawing a cube in isometric. So I'll get my 90 degree here, go straight up here, and then I will go along here and here. So now what I've got to do is complete the cube. Like so. So we've done the box and the base there. So we've done the first two bits there. That's 6 marks. The last bit I asked you to do is the triangular hole thickness. So we've got the triangle bit here. So it's asked you the hole thickness for this. So to do this, really, really simple, is we need to work at the thickness of this first of all. And if I measure this part here, it is 10 millimeters. So we need to go off each corner with our 30 degree. Up here. And then measure back 10 millimeters, which is there. So I can put this bottom part in here. So that's going to go along. And I measure the top bit here. So that's 10 millimeters. So I can get my rule. And I'm doing these lines heavy quickly. That bit there. And then finally go over this bit here heavy. So there's my triangle thickness complete. So the last thing I do for the whole thing is go over all my lines heavier, line them all in so you can see the shapes. It's obvious what you've done. So the construction lines get in the way. Right, nearly there. It's always important to have really faint construction lines so you can go over the actual lines where you line them in heavier, so it's really obvious, you can see your shape. So just put the top on of the cube. Here, and finally this bit here. So it all complete.